I just wanted to let you know how much I appreciate the work that you do. And I know that a lot of times your work doesn't necessarily get recognized or people don't really pay attention, but we will complain when things are not done, right? We don't necessarily recognize you when things are going well. So I just wanted to come today and just say thank you, Ryan.
Awesome.
I appreciate all that you do.
Thank you.
And Bryan.
Thank you.
And I just wanted you to know that, yeah, your separation package is in there. Actually, no, we need you, so.
Yeah.
But thank you so much for what you do.
These are the guys that come in at 2 a.m. to salt all the parking lots and driveways, and plowing, snow and ice control. Lately, Bryan has really taken over handling the furniture truck, which delivers all non-curricular materials throughout the district, includes assembling any furniture, any equipment, and everything that goes all throughout. Ryan's been real big in taking care of a lot of the mowing crews and a lot of other major projects like installing new guardrail system that's with the new buses and stuff out here, and just general day-to-day, all the building cleanouts, all the building moves, that's all handled by us, through us, and these are two of the top guys to handle all of that.
Oh, it's good to be recognized.
Yeah.
A lot of times people, when they hear we work for the schools, they're like, oh, what school do you work at? It's like, well, kind of all of them.
Again, thank you.